Hi guys, it's Miss Potts again. I wanted to go over the work that will be for next week or this week whenever you're watching it. So this is for April 20th. So we're going to continue to work with coordinate planes and we are doing another practice with it. So the first slide shows you a map of the locations of a building at a school. So you are going to use the line toolbar, which the line one is right here. All you do is click on it to draw a line, and you're going to match the building with their correct coordinates. I did the first one for you. So it says PE, the coordinates are 3, comma 11. So you would come over here and figure out, okay, here's PE. I went 3 on the x-axis and 11 on the y. Over 3, up 11. So I drew a line at 3, comma 11. You do that again by clicking the line on here, and you would draw them to the correct places. The next slide tells you, it says Kathy moved from one location to another by traveling 4 units left and down 2. So that means you're going this way 4 and then down. So, and you're going to put an X next to the way that Kathy traveled. Hint, if you look down here, there's only one correct answer. So if you look here, it says Kathy traveled from her home to school. Well, you have to start at home. Got to move left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And down 2. 1, 2. My point for the school is not there, so that is incorrect. That's false. I would not put an X on that one. Then you would look over here. Kathy traveled from school to the library. Okay, so for starting at school, we go over 4 and down 2. Did she travel there? Is that correct? Then you would put an X, and you would do that for each one. Remember, there's only one correct. Next one. You're going to use the coordinate grid to solve the problem. So it says, after school, Eduardo decided to go to the park. Eduardo left the school, went down 5 units, and right 3, and arrived at the park. Well, they've already plotted the park for us. So that means we would do the opposite to figure out where the school is. So instead of going down 5, we would go up 5. And then we would go left instead of right. And you're going to figure out which points are you at. I already have the X coordinate for you. So you need to figure out what's our Y. Okay, the mayor plans to build a park halfway between the school and the post office. So, which coordinate is halfway between the school and the post office? I already gave you one hint, so you need to figure out the other. This one says, enter the ordered pair that represents the location of the gym. So that means you need to find the gym, which is right here. How many did you go over on the X? And then how many did you go up? You would enter the pair. Then you're going to tell me, how would I go from the gym to the post office? Would you move up? Would you move down, left, right? How would I move to get to the post office? That's what you're going to tell me. Then this one, you're using the grid. Again, this is the opposite, just like the other one. So it says Heather wanted to go to the gym. She left school, went up 4 and right 3 and arrived at the gym, and they plotted that point. So how would I figure out what's the school? I would do the opposite. Instead of going up, I would go down 4 and then left 3. And you're going to tell me, what are those points? Okay. Ethan graphed the number of miles he ran each day for 7 days. You're going to place an X next to the true or false statement. I did the first one for you. It says Ethan ran 3 miles on day 5. So I would come over to day 5. Okay, here's day 5. And I need to figure out, did he run 3? That means, did he go up 3? And yes, he did. So that is true. Ethan ran the least miles on day 7. Did he run the least on day 7? You have to tell me, is that true or false? And then Ethan ran 2 more miles on day 5 and 6. Gotta tell me if that's true or false. Here we are plotting the points by reading the grid. And then the last one, you are just making you're doing the same thing with plotting for the home and the swing set. And then here you're just making a rectangle. Which point would go there?